morning, crafty peeps. So, welcome back to Valentine's Chopped, and I'm going to reveal the third ingredient. Okay, so I'm really kind of getting scared after the last one, but I finally did come up with something, and I already did the tutorial. But you all will see those. The tutorials will start on February 12th, 13th, and the final one, which will be Project 3, which I'm going to share those ingredients today, will be on Valentine's Day. So let's see what she said. And please don't want to be anything crazy. Here we go. Project 3. Well, it looks small. That's good news. So I'm liking that. Oh boy, what is it? What is it? Oh my goodness. Oh, this is going to be cute. Oh, it is adorable. I love, love, love. Okay, sorry guys. It's like a little tag, and it's got these little gold buttons. They're adorable. Okay, see? Okay, Tiffany, you're not so bad. Okay, girl. All right. So, we have some, let me just pull this out here. This is going to be super cute. It's like a little Valentine's tag. So, we have some roses that she sent that she made. Also, I love these little gold buttons or sequins. I don't know. They're really cute. And then we have the wooden tag. And then I have a little snowflake. And then also, she gave us a couple color choices of whatever we wanted to decide for the paper. So do we want to go pink or do we want to go red? Let me see. Ooh, that is actually really good. I think I'm going to stick with this combo. Maybe I'll put this one on the back side, okay? But anyway, guys, I will see you all soon. So this is going to be super, super easy. Hallelujah. Jesus. Thank you, Tiffany. Anyway, don't forget to see all the other reactions and reveals. I will have those linked down below. Bye, guys.